Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we will gonna talk about the Pinterest. So how you can manage your Pinterest business account and how you can create. This is the complete tutorial for a Pinterest. If you have a business and you wanna grow your business, so this video is really helpful for you guys. So Pinterest is really good platform to explore, to enhance your business. And so if you are a graphic designer or a designer, so Pinterest is really helpful application. So let's go to the screen. So let me show you how you can create your Pinterest account. So how you can manage your business account. So this is the second video on a Pinterest. So without any further ado, so let's go to the screen. So आज हम देखेंगे कि आज हम Pinterest को जो है हम Pinterest को वेब पे हम Pinterest को कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं। और अगर आप वेब पे बिजनेस अकाउंट बनाना चाहते हैं तो बिजनेस अकाउंट Pinterest का बिजनेस अकाउंट जो है वो आप उसको कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे और उसको कैसे जो है आप अपने अकाउंट को उस पे लेके आएंगे। So guys, now we are on a screen right now. So just type pinterest.com, type pinterest.com and log in. Pinterest, just type Pinterest business account, business.pinterest.com. So here it is. So this is the Pinterest. All you just need to sign up. After creating your account, you have to log in, but so before that you have to sign up your account. So just click sign up. So to sign up, you have to have an email address for your sign up account. So you need to enter your email address, set your password and your age. So let me just set my password and age. So just create. Now after setting your password and age, just create. So now it's creating. So guys, so now we are back. Our profile has been created. So now we have to build your profile. So first you need to set your brand name. So if you have a clothing brand or if you have another brand, so you can set your brand. So you can set a unique brand for your business. So here it is. So here we have. I will just type. I'll just type SAADITEL Network. SAADITEL Networks. SAADITEL Networks. Networks. So here I have my website. So I will put my website. So you do check it out my website. So you select your country, your language, and hit next. Just okay. Hit next. Describe your business. What's your business about? So what's the focus of your brand? So let me just explore the category. So I have an educational YouTube channel, so I'll go for education. What are your goals? So now it's asking for your goal. So generate more lead for drive traffic, create content on Pinterest to grow an audience. You can select any three. So what type of brand you are. So now and I'm focusing on education and videos, so I'm promoting my videos via Pinterest. So I'll go for create content on Pinterest to grow an audience, grow brand awareness, and drive traffic on your site. So I'll go for next. So now it's asking describe your business more detail. So it's asking, so I'm not sure, I'm sure about my business. Are you a blogger? Are you a consumer good product or a service, contractor, service provider? Are you a creator, content creator, or public figure? So I'm a creator. So I'll go for creator, influencer, public figure, or celebrity. So next, so let's so so done. Go for done. Yes. So here it is. Where should you like to start? Share your ideas to pin, create, claim your website, show your brand, create pins, tell your brand story and images, videos, product or links. You can share your images, your product and your links on Pinterest, or you wanna claim your website. You can add your website, Instagram, YouTube channel in Pinterest to grow your business or your. So I'll go back. I'll go back and share idea, share ideas, create pin. So if you wanna create pin, so you have to create your post. So before that, I'll go for my website, claim website, get credit of your all your content on Pinterest. When you claim your content of your name profile, so just claim your content, add the website you have, add HTML tag, TXT record or HTML file. So copy and paste head of the website. So if you want to add your website, so you have to claim your website. So just click continue. For example, enter the URL of your website. So this is my website address. So select this address, enter. So after claiming your website, so you can add Instagram, Etsy and YouTube account. So you can claim and link your all social media account. So in Pinterest, you can claim several options. You have a several options to claim your website, Instagram, Etsy, and your YouTube channel. By adding YouTube channel, you can enhance your YouTube audience. So, so I think the main option to claiming your website and Instagram and YouTube channel. So that will grow your audience around all social media platforms. So it's really helpful to grow your business while on a different platform. So here's my profile. So I have created my account. So here it is. So I just create my Pinterest business account. So that's how you can add your Pinterest account. So hope you guys like this video. So please give the thumbs up. See you in the next video.